Our focus standard for this lesson comes from Grade 7 Number Systems Standard 1. Apply and extend previous understandings to represent subtraction on a number line. Our topic comes from our Adding and Subtracting Integers unit, subtracting integers on a number line. Our essential question is, how can we use a number line to model when subtracting integers? Please take a moment, pausing the video if you need to copy down the topic and essential question, along with today's date in your header, sub your question column and your note column, and resume the video when you're ready to begin. In previous weeks, we had looked at adding integers on a number line. When we're subtracting integers, it's going to be the exact opposite. The sign of the integer we're subtracting still tells us which direction to go. We're going to go the opposite of what we're used to. For positive integers, we're going to move left or down, and for negative integers, we're going to move right or up. You can think of this because adding and subtracting are inverse operations, meaning they're opposite operations, so we do things the opposite way. Let's get into our first example. Our first problem is asking us to start at 6 and subtract 8. So we're going to start here at 6, and we're subtracting a positive integer. For positive integers, it wants us to move left. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the left direction. And we ended right here at negative 2. So 6 subtract 8 equals negative 2. Let's try another one. Now we're looking at negative 4 subtract a negative 3. So first number tells us where to start. We're going to start at negative 4, and we're going to subtract negative 3. Well, negative 3 is a negative integer, and we're going to go to the right 3 places from negative 4. So 1, 2, 3. Negative 4 subtract negative 3 equals negative 1. Alright, let's try example C. Now we're dealing with a vertical number line, but the process is still the same. So we're doing 2 subtract negative 5. So again, we start, the first integer tells us where to start, so we're going to start at 2. And we're going to subtract a negative 5, so we're going to go to the top 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we land right here at positive 7. So 2 subtract negative 5 equals 7. Alright, why don't you take this last one? We have negative 7 subtract 3. Go ahead and use your number line to mark where we start and what direction we travel to find the answer. Pausing the video if you need to, and then resume the video to check your work with mine. Let's see how you did. We're going to start at negative 7. We're subtracting a positive 3, so I'm going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3, and I end at negative 10. So negative 7 subtract 3 is negative 10. That is going to conclude our video lesson for today on subtracting integers on the number line. And Please make sure that your notes are fully complete and come ready to practice these more in class.